So let's go over the sunrise sunset for today. The sunrise was at 5:37 a.m. and the sunset was at 8:11 p.m. Okay. So step one we always know because it goes from a.m. to p.m. We have to add 12 to 8, which equals 20. All right. So now we're going to rewrite 8:11 as 20:11. Okay, this is going to be step 2 now. And then we're going to subtract 5:37 a.m. Okay, and then we're going to determine how much sunlight we had today. All right, so this is where some of you are making some errors because you're just doing it out of routine, and we don't want to ever do it out of routine. We want to always be thinking clearly. Okay, we always want to be thinking. Let's say that's the first step, and then try to think as clearly as possible. Okay, so we can't subtract here, we can't subtract here, but we can take a 10 to make a 10. And remember, we're dealing with tens because it's to the right of the colon. Okay, so we can subtract 10 minus 7 equals 3. Now we can't subtract over here. So these are the minutes. And to the left of the colon are the hours. There are 0 hours, but there are 2 tenths of an hour. So we're going to take 10 hours, and we're going to give 10 hours right here. 10, 110 plus 10 ones equals 20. Okay? So we can subtract here, but we can't subtract here. So now we're going to take an hour of power. I'm sorry, that's 9. Pardon me. And then we're going to think of an hour as 60 minutes. That's your 6 right there. That's what you have to remember here, okay? This is the only point of confusion for some of you, all right? Other than that, the rest of the rules apply, okay? So now we can subtract 6 minus 3. I'm sorry, wait a second, yeah. 6 minus 3 equals... You know why I did this? Because I just went over it with someone who made the same error, and it's fresh in my head. Okay, so this should be an 11, my mistake, okay? So 6 minus 3 equals 3, and 9 minus 5, and there you go, all right?